Today we're going to talk about seat adjustment and massaging seats in your new Macan Electric. To adjust the massaging seats, there are a couple different ways to access this. One is from your seat. There's a button on the lumbar support, right on the end, or you can select Car, Comfort, and then choose the seat you would like to adjust. We'll start with the driver's seat. The first choice is a massage program. You can do a wide variety of different types of massages. The first three will do the entire seat, and lumbar will focus a little bit on your lower back, and the shoulder one will focus a little bit on your upper back. You can also choose the intensity as well here. As you can see, you can choose how strong or soft you want the massage to be. You can also adjust the seat heating here in this menu. Select heating balance, and you can have primarily to the backrest, or you can move it down and have it primarily to the seat. You also can do the same with ventilated seats as well, if you would like to just be ventilated on the backrest primarily, or if you would like for it to mostly be on the seat. Now let's take a look at the seat itself to show you how to adjust it. There are 14 ways in which you can adjust this particular seat. You can adjust your squab length here, which is the cushion that is under your legs. You can raise the height. You can lower the height, you can move forward, and you can move backward with your seat. You can also push backrest forward or recline. Here you can adjust your lumbar, and you can adjust how far it sticks out or how far it's recessed. If you would like to initiate massaging seats, you push the button there on the end. You'll see here in the PCM that a pop-up has popped up here. This little icon tells you that it's on. If you would like to adjust the intensity, hit this bottom icon here, and you can adjust the intensity, or you can switch which massaging program you would like. Now while we're adjusting seats, I'm going to show you how to adjust the passenger seat from the driver's side. Go to Car, then Comfort, and scroll to the bottom, Adjust Passenger Seat. While this pop-up is up, you can adjust the passenger seat from the driver's side. You can adjust the squab length. That's the part here in the front. This is to make it more comfortable for long journeys, if you have longer legs. You can move your seat up. You can move the seat down. You can also press the button in the middle for massaging seats. You'll notice that the pop-up here on the PCM is for the passenger. You can also adjust the headrest on your new Macan Electric by pressing the button and pulling forward, or pressing the button and pushing back. Now you can adjust your seating position and use massaging seats in your new Macan Electric.